Question number 12. The black body radiation curves for two objects A and B are as shown. And okay, what is the question here? What is the temperature of A and temperature of B? You know, whenever there is a black body radiation given, the first question that you should think about is there a Wien's displacement law being used? Okay, usually the questions will be related to this. So what is Wien's displacement law tells you? Lambda A into TA is equal to lambda B into TB. This is what it tells you. Now, what is lambda A here? For A, lambda A peak wavelength. What is the peak wavelength here? This point is 300. 300 multiplied by TA. What is TA? I do not know. I'll write TA here. Is equal to lambda B. What is the value of lambda B? 400. 400 into TB. Now, what is being asked? Sometimes, when we read the question, we forget. TA by TB. He is asking you TA by TB. TA divided by TB is equal to 400 divided by 300. 0000 goes away. It becomes 4 by 3. Should be your right answer. 4 by 3 C is your right answer.